Interest rates just hit the lowest levels we've seen since 2022, but there's a catch, and you need to know before you buy or refinance. So we're going to get into it, and I'm going to have this wrapped up for you in less than 4 minutes. Let's first start with the market and interest rate. So as of October 2025, the average 30-year fixed is hovering around the low to mid sixes on a full documentation conventional conforming loan, which is down from nearly 7% earlier in the year. And the decline follows the Federal Reserve's recent rate cut. Now, when the Feds cut the rate, it doesn't mean mortgage rates are directly tied to it, but it usually follows it. So we're expecting those to be stabilized in the current and near future, but we never know what's going to happen, right? So right now the rates are favorable. So if you're buying or refinancing, this is what you need to know. Refinancing. The reason right now might be a good time is especially if your current interest rate is above the mid sixes, or if you're wanting to access cash for home renovation, investment, or debt consolidation. And if you're doing that, sometimes it's just math, right? Regardless of the rates, but right now the rates are good and it's definitely worth looking into. If you're purchasing, more homes are entering the market and there's less competition. So these last few months of 2025 could be your sweet spot. So I want to talk about some loan options, in particular for those who are self-employed and investors who can't or don't want to use tax returns or traditional verifiable income. We'll start with the bank statement loan, which you qualify using personal or business bank statements. We're looking at 12 months worth of deposits, and they are ideal for those without traditional income documentation. Another great one is the 1099 loan, and it's designed for independent contractors. This loan uses 1099 income to determine eligibility, great for realtors. We have the DSCR loan, which stands for debt service coverage ratio. It's perfect for real estate investors because the approvals are based on the property's expected cash flow or current cash flow. So it's an awesome product for that. Then we have the asset depletion loan, which uses liquid assets to calculate income for qualification, which is beneficial for those who have a lot of savings or a lot of retirement, but very limited income. So great products. Now, why are mortgage brokers often better than the big banks? Well, first, we have access to multiple lenders. Mortgage brokers can shop around to find the best rates. Unlike the big banks, they're limited to their options. What you get is what you get. Wholesale rates, when it comes to wholesale rates, brokers, we have often access to these rates, and they can be lower than the retail rates more often than not. And then it's a certain personalized service working with a broker like myself. We're providing tailored advice and solutions to you in your specific situation. You're not just in a box where you either qualify or you don't. And then transparency. Working with a broker means that you're not just another number, you're a valued client. Like, we depend on your business and future business to feed our families. So if you are considering buying or refinancing or even investing, now is a great time to explore your options. And what you can do is click the link below this video to schedule your complimentary vision planning call with me personally, and we'll map out your next move with purpose and alignment. This is Jay Robbins, and I look forward to connecting with you.